Most of our starter batteries are 12 volts, but they do come in different types, right? We have conventional and AGM. Can you talk a little bit about the characteristics of each?
So Power Sports is made up of two different types of batteries and really comes down to flooded lead acid, your traditional battery, and AGM or absorbed glass mat. And your traditional flood acid battery's been around forever. It works great. It does require some maintenance. And AGM is a little bit newer technology than the flooded. And what that is it has glass mats around the plates, and that absorbs all the acid, makes it non-spillable, gives more vibration resistance, adds more capacity to the battery. So it's really just taking traditional technology, souping it up with a little bit different avenue.
And we've taken that even a little bit further with some high performance AGM options that we have available in our HD parts lineup as well, right?
Yeah, this battery is just amazing. So we took your AGM technology and we crammed as much of it as we could into this battery. And what that allowed us to do is go from 575 to 620 CCAs and then add more reserve capacity. And reserve capacity is extremely important to the guys that are running audio or additional light bars or plowing. So really this battery just fits all the needs. So the additional CCA works really well for the cold temperature startup, and then the reserve capacity is for all temperature ranges, including that hot weather. So it's just your all-in best of the best battery.
Andrew, let's talk a little bit about why a rider should choose a Polaris battery versus an aftermarket brand.
Absolutely. We have a strong warranty for all of our batteries within our whole lineup. And really it's warranty made easy. So you can always go to your local dealership and we'll take care of you.
Batteries are ultimately a perishable item. They're going to slowly self-discharge in periods of prolonged storage. So we carry a full lineup of battery maintainers. Can you talk to us a little bit about those?
We carry several battery maintainers within our Polaris lineup. So you can find those on Polaris.com, at the dealerships, or in a Polaris catalog. Polaris a few years ago implemented a new SAE plug on their vehicles. It's either on the dash or the handlebars or somewhere accessible on the vehicle. And really that eliminates the need to use your standard traditional alligator clips on the terminals, and it's just plugging it in. You don't have to worry about overcharging. You know, in the past the conception is I'm gonna overcharge my battery. These are smart maintainers. They're gonna charge it to the level that it needs to be at so that you're set up and ready for success when you're ready to go riding.
And these maintainers can be used across our portfolio of Polaris batteries, whether it's a conventional lead acid flooded battery or an AGM. These can be toggled to the proper type of battery. For our riders, we want you spending as much time out on the trail. It's a great idea to have a battery maintainer in your garage and carry a jump pack along with you when you're out on the trail. Thanks for watching our video on batteries. Stay safe out there.